All right, good morning. Going to be doing a quick SPY technical analysis, maybe throw in some Qs, diamonds, and if I'm quick with the other ones, maybe we can do some healthcare ETFs, see where they're at as they're holding up after the Fed minutes and Powell remarks yesterday. But I always like to remind people, you can see there's a reason why we topped off yesterday at 388.63. There's a reason why it stopped at 373.80. All right. So, although there are some headlines that kind of give you the cause, but let's just go back through, the overall market just following an algorithm here. It's just following computers. I shouldn't say algorithm, just in general. It's just all set up. It's all pre-planned here. So coming off the high, there it is again, end of March, beginning April. Here comes the mid-August. So there's the big green line. This is off from the June. Had the, we were touching, broke down, failure. All right, and then obviously we had this kind of double bottom setup here. And this was my, let's put the monthly up there too as well so you guys can see what I'm looking at. That's where I was expecting us to stop. We had that early morning, but we opened up above and we actually finished. That was kind of the next angle up here, uptrend ray, which, only had one contact here, so it wasn't had a high conviction to it. Then we had light blue uptrend ray. We could see that was acceleration off. What was that, 2 weeks ago? Here's 1, 2, 3, and then we broke down through that, and this is where we're at. So we've cut through 2 uptrend rays. One, I actually almost give this a little bit higher conviction than this one, but the one thing that we wanted to focus on is that we had this 1, 2, 3, 4 contacts. This got above it, but it only wicked up there and it got rejected. So that's essentially the start of the sell-off. So let's move this out of the way. So we have that. That's the sell-off, and this is the acceleration. So the angle of attack is definitely down. Low conviction right now, but that I'm sure we're gonna just chew right through this and probably make its way back down the 362 area. Maybe we go lower. It is possible that we decide to. We haven't got the daily outside the monthly Keltner channel yet, which is where I just decide to start throwing everything I got at blue chip positions, but it's a wait. We are amber on the go, no go right now, so it's savable. We could, if we wick up, it's one thing if this is the low. Let's get down to the 1 minute in the pre-market here. It's one thing if we're looking at the low in the pre-market. There's the 8 o'clock shakeout. I shouldn't say shakeout, but reset. There you go. If that is the low and we make our way back above the Keltner channel, the middle of the Keltner channel, that would be fairly bullish. I don't know about getting above this anchor. The fact that we kind of just dropped right through this anchored VWAP right here is concerning, but it's all pre-market. So if we hammer up today above probably 372.50, and then if we can get above 375, in general, if we get a hammer today, that'd be bullish. I'm just not feeling it. We broke the RSI uptrend, so I think this orange downtrend ray is a little stronger than this green one, or light blue teal one that we had going there. Yeah, let's say Thursday, so they might tear this down real hard at the end of the week. see. Anyway, let's take a look at the Qs. Probably not looking any better. Actually, should be looking worse after the Fed minutes. Yeah, we're just still waiting for the Qs to pick up here, and they haven't. So there's another one. Yeah, there's just a lot. I mean, look how many there are there just in that initial. They're not giving up on the Qs. They're going to keep grinding that down. Diamonds. Bullish. But we're opening up below this. So, not a good sign. That's the anchored VWAP from the all-time high, and it rejected it right on the nose. Oh, almost around the nose. Pretty damn close. Not too far off. Let's do a quick XLV, and then we'll go XBI, and we'll leave it there. Failed to get above this. Not a good sign. I mean, we're fairly bullish on the go, no go. But that failure to get over that resistance is concerning. This is a mess. Yikes. Alright, we'll leave it there. I'm definitely gonna be hands off. I don't care if the market rips in my face today. I'm not seeing anything that's who's down big. Lantheus? Give me a break. Alright, we'll keep an eye on that one. Yeah, it's nothing but beat. So if you want to, I was down kind of in the 40s area. Maybe they just want to sell this off. It's just technically, it's weakening. I mean, it's really overbought now. It's just weakening up. Maybe a spike in rejection, and we can see the sucker come back down to that 40s level, which is what I'm looking at. Kind of this 49, 50 area. That would be nice. Maybe even get to this 46. That'd be beautiful. That'd be a good spot to add. It's been dormant since since the marketplace service opened up. It's like my first thing. It's like, watch out for Lantheus, and then probably nobody really was able to capitalize on that, and then went from mid to high 20s all the way up to $80 something, almost $90. She hammered. Yeah, she was down a lot more than that, so she's coming right back up. Slight disappointment, but still raking in cash. All right, I'll leave it there. Good luck. Stay